Hi everyone, welcome to our video appraisal demo. So it's as simple as navigating to the page, clicking record video, enabling the camera, and away you go. No apps required. This is all browser based, very simple to use. Once you've completed filming the video, you click done. The video is stored. You can play back the video, record a new video, or delete the video. Simply fill out your information, then click send. It's that easy. So once this is sent, it gets sent to the agent. The agent can then open up on their mobile phone or in their email client on their computer. They'll get something that looks like this. So it's pretty much the same as what they receive now with the video attachment. So they can click and download the video and then play back the video. It's that simple. This is a really awesome way to connect with your clients without going to too much effort. So I hope you enjoy it. We're super excited about this. Thanks heaps. Talk soon.